Hi roller skaters out there. Today is a video about a little shuffle skating routine that I've just come up with. We've been trying to work on new ideas for you guys. Seems to be an interest in the shuffle skating routine, so here's another one that maybe you guys can find fun and helpful. I'll do it first and then I'll break it down. Ready? So we're going down the straightaway right here. You're basically shuffling along like this. Boom! So that's it. Basically, you're just shuffling down the straightaway. This is a sequence done down the straightaway. And as you're coming out of the turn, you're basically doing your normal shuffle skating. You're basically shuffle skating like this. And you take your left foot, put it on the heel wheels, bring it back behind you, and fall on it with your weight, like that. Then do the same thing with the right foot. Lift it up, fall on it, right? And then you're on your back foot's, your weight's on this foot, and you pick up this leg, clap underneath, go down, right? And scissor, left foot forward, go down, scissor right foot forward, then you're gonna turn, rolling, and then you're gonna jump from backside to front, okay? And then you're gonna be going straight again. And that's the whole sequence. So we'll break it down a little bit more. We'll get Jazz in front of me a little bit. I'm gonna come toward her, going down the straightaway, shuffle skating, let's get going, let's get moving. Take the left foot, heel wheel, step back, flap, down, up, down, scissor, turn, jump. All right, smooth as butter, baby. All right, we're gonna do it again. Jazz stays in front of me so you can see a good shot of this. I'm coming toward her. I'm gonna get some speed going. Shuffle, 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 forward, step back, up, clap, down, scissor, roll, turn, and then jump to a 180.
All right.
Super cool. All right, we'll break it down one more time down this straightaway. Get Jazz to stay in front of me so she can hear me. So I'm coming toward her down the straightaway. Shuffle skate, like this. Left foot heel, step back, fall. Right foot back, fall. Left foot up, clap, down, scissor, left foot forward, down, scissor, right foot forward, then you turn and jump. Simple as that. So hopefully you guys can figure this out. All right, get a shot from behind, Jazz, we'll see. Might be easier to see from behind. So we're shuffling, shuffling, shuffling. Down, flap, down, scissor, roll. Woo! That's so fun. So that's another little routine. So let's stop here and we'll end it with that. I hope you guys found this video useful, helpful, and fun. As always, it's the most thing is it needs to be about having fun. That's what it's all about. So appreciate you guys checking out our channel. We hope you found this helpful and useful. If you did, hit the like, comment. Love to hear your comments, positive, negative, whatever. And again, we always just appreciate you guys checking out our channel. And until next time, we will see you later, skaters. Bye.